So you're here because you read the title and the thumbnail, and your question is, how do I get into content creation and get past the stage fright, all of the worries that come along with that, and the things that are kind of just overhead, the am I going to be successful, the acceptance? Let's get into it. Before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you for stopping by. I'm Cyrus, and I'm here to improve the streaming experience not only for you, but also for your viewers. If you enjoy this video, make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss content like this. Also, check me out on Twitch. I stream 3 days a week. I'd love for you to be a part of that experience, as well as join the Darkness Discord. We have a fantastic community, and we'd love for you to be a part of that. With that out of the way, let's talk about the things that usually hold back beginning streamers from actually getting into streaming on Twitch, Facebook Gaming, YouTube, whatever the case. So one of the biggest things that I hear from so many people who join Discord, who reach out to me to ask for advice, or who post comments like you who are watching this video, one of the biggest things I hear is, I'm not ready because my hardware isn't ready. I'm not ready because I don't have this, or I don't have this, or I don't have this piece of equipment, or I don't have this piece of software done. I don't have a logo. And what I'm here to tell you is none of that requires you to start streaming. What you will need is the essentials, like streaming from your console, or if you have a computer, to stream from your computer. If you have a phone, you could stream mobile games now through the Twitch app, as well as through Streamlabs OBS. And so what I encourage you to is, if you're limiting yourself from the part of, I don't have this, so I can't do this, if you already have one of those items at your house, or you're at your disposal, whatever the case, you can get started now and make sure those things are added later on. If you look back through, and I'll run some B-roll of some old clips of my channel, you can see that what you're looking at now is a culmination of 2 years almost of doing this. And I had to start from something very small and get to this point. Not only was I learning how to interact with chat, I was learning how to customize overlays, use this equipment, get new equipment. And all of that was over the process of understanding what I actually needed and not what I wanted. The stuff doesn't make you a better streamer. It just makes the things that might be on the stream look better, but it doesn't improve you as a person. So what I really want to talk about today is you as a person, to prepare you to start that stream. So let's talk about a few things that I think you can improve upon to make your stream a better experience for your viewers. Number one, talking to chat. This one's kind of weird because it's people who just start out usually have 0 viewers, 1 viewer. They don't usually start out with a huge audience and a huge chat role just running. And a lot of people, when they start playing, they get so zoned in because they're so used to doing that they don't interact with their chat, even when there's no chat. It might sound counterintuitive to take your time and to continue talking, even though someone might not be there, because the truth is, you don't know if someone might be lurking in the background until that number pops up, and you already have probably missed your opportunity to talk to them. It doesn't update instantly to show you when somebody joins your stream, and if they join with you just staring at a screen and you're not engaging with them, the likelihood of them leaving is probably high. So continuing to talk to your game, what you're doing. If you're playing this game, talk about what you're doing in that game. You know, maybe have someone in your Discord call that you're connecting with or chatting with, so that it sounds like there's some motion moving on your stream. Number two, and this one's a big one, and this one's me personally. If you have a way of turning on your webcam, some way of showing your face, do it. That personal connection of someone being able to interact with you, I think, is a huge opportunity for people to connect with you on a human to human level, rather than just someone who's playing a video game. They're able to see your emotion, your reactions, the things that you're doing. You might sound really happy over the video, but to see their visible reaction is wonderful as a person watching a streamer. So maybe think of your largest streamers that you watch. If they didn't have a webcam, would that hinder your process of watching them, or hinder your idea of what their stream looks like? Now, there are huge streamers that never have turned on a webcam, and I'm not saying that it's required. I'm saying that as a small streamer, to build that community connection, it's not a bad idea to go ahead and turn on that webcam in any source for people to be able to connect with you. All right, third, the next one is to have an opportunity for those people to be funneled into a location for you to have a conversation with them. Sometimes when you start as a streamer, you hit go live, you wait for your community to go on, they follow you, they come back to your streams later, and that's a huge part. I would encourage you to maybe join a community. Like, this isn't me promoting the darkness, but we have a community for streamers. But join a community of someone who you can be there, not as a follow for follow or sub for sub or anything, but a place where you can go and find people who are like-minded, collaborate. Alpha Gaming channel, Harris Heller, actually has in his place a huge resource of people, not only resources for streamers, but a place where you can do collaborations, and there is a large number of people inside that channel. And most people who do YouTube have a Discord that you can jump in and collaborate with, who can probably help you understand, grow, have someone to talk to, etc., and be able to support you when you might still be sitting at 0 viewers. So my recommendation, get into a community, own it, and then maybe create your own community and funnel the people into that so you can continue to connect with them. And this is the last one. Don't wait for perfection before you jump into something. You're new to this, or you might be new to this. You might have been doing this for a while. Don't let the idea of making something perfect before you put it out there limit you from starting. Some of the best things that have happened over my career doing Twitch and YouTube is putting something up there and somebody telling me, here's how you can improve. Not as a point of being mean, but these people were people that I wanted to surround myself with, who took the time to say, here's some things that you can improve, and really take that criticism and think about it. Doesn't mean to do it all the time, but take it from their perspective. They're the viewers. You're the creator, and if you're creating content to be viewed, their perspective isn't a bad thing. So don't wait for the perfect video, the perfect overlay, the perfect everything before you actually get into creating content, whether it be streaming, posting videos, whatever the case. All right, and that'll wrap up that video. Again, if you want somewhere to hang out and to be a part of a community, you are welcome here in the darkness. The link for that community Discord is in the description below. Come check me out on Twitch, be a part of that chat, come game with me. I'd love for you to be on stream if possible, as well as like, subscribe, and ring the bell for this channel. And that's where we'll call it. Guys, I'm Cyrus, and welcome to the darkness. We'll catch you next time.